Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ESPP and RSU taxes from Fidelity in TurboTax step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and navigate to your main dashboard. Click on the Federal section in the left-hand menu. Select Wages and Income from the list of options. Scroll down to find the Investments and Savings section. Click on Show More to reveal additional options. Locate Stocks, Bonds, Other and select Start. Choose Yes when prompted about whether you sold any investments. Select the I sold stock option. Enter the name of the company for your ESPP or RSU. Input the date you acquired the shares in the Date Acquired field. Provide the date you sold the shares in the Date Sold field. Fill in the sales price per share in the Sale Price field. Enter the total number of shares sold in the Number of Shares Sold field. Now, input the cost basis in the Cost Basis section. If your ESPP or RSU has specific adjustments, include those in the Adjustments section. Review all entered information for accuracy. Click Continue to move to the next step of your return. Follow the prompts to complete the rest of your income entries. When finished, proceed to the Review tab. Check for any errors or missing information flagged by TurboTax. Once you've addressed any issues, proceed to finalize your tax return. Select File to submit your completed return. Keep a record of your confirmation for your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.